Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to write a research paper in Paperpal. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. Paperpal is perfect as your assistant for research writing. There are three ways to use it generally. First is manuscript writing, best for cross-check and analyze common errors in the manuscript technicalities. Next one is Paperpal for web, your daily assistant in terms of general grammar checking and academic structural writing. And the last one is Paperpal for Word that integrated into your Office Word as a plugin and can directly checking your writing right away. It is completely free for your daily task. And that's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.